Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorials. Today we are going to talk about the finger command, a simple yet powerful tool to check user details on a Linux system. If you are a system administrator or a developer working on a Ubuntu 24.04, this command will help you to monitor active users, to check login details and to track last login times. The finger command is not installed by default on Ubuntu. Don't worry, we will install and use it step by step. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm using Ubuntu 24.04 version, the latest version. I have set up this on my virtual box. So let's access the terminal. This is my terminal. So let's understand what is finger command. Finger command provides a detailed information about user in a system such as login name, full name, home directory, shell type, and last login time, and also it will display and shows the idle time. Since finger is not installed by default in Ubuntu, we need to install it first. So for that, run this command in your terminal, sudo apt update. As I'm not using root user, so I'm using sudo to install the package. You need to provide the sudo password. So this will take some time to install. The finger command installation is done. Check who is logged in by running finger. So let me run once again. Here you can see this will show the list of currently active user with their details. I have logged in with sysadmin user on this machine. So you can see which terminal I am using and also the login time, idle, and each and everything it will mention. For practical use case, for system administrator and developer, basically it is used to check the login user by using finger command. If you are system administrator and you might need to check who is currently using your Ubuntu server, use case will be, imagine you are about to restart your server but you need to ensure no developers are logged in. Running finger will give you quick overview of active users. Let's see the another use case. To get the details of a specific user, you can run finger command followed by the username to check the detailed information about the specific user. I will use finger. As of now, I have logged into sysadmin, so I will run that. And also, we can see the user. Run finger. I have another user on this system. I can check that user details as well. Let's say you need to check if the user is logged in recently. You can check with finger followed by the username. The output will show full name, login details, idle time, and the directory, home directory, and when it was logged in. This helps in tracking user activity or verifying a last system access. The next use case is checking the user's last login. If you want to check when a user last logged in, you can run admin. User is my Linux user on this Ubuntu machine. I have logged in with the sysadmin user. This user I have logged in recently. So I want to check the admin user when was it last login. Useful when you need to track login activities of a particular user. You can run finger-l command followed by that username. The another use case is display a user summary. So just you need to run yes. So this user has not logged in. You will get very few information. As I log in with sysadmin user, you can see I was checking the details uh, of user summary. It is used to show only the essential details in a neat column format, making it quick and easy to scan user activity. Next use case is restricting a result to a username only. We can run finger -m followed by username. By default, finger matches the both username and the real name. If multiple users have the similar full name, you can limit the search to just a username using finger space -m space username. If two users have the similar name, this ensures you fetches the correct user details. Login user is sysadmin and the actual name is also sysadmin. Understanding the finger command output, as you can see, it provide. Let me run once again. Login and the name. The first one, login and the name, the username and full name of the user, directory and shell, user home directory and default shell, on since the login time and how long they have been idle, mail and plan shows if the user has mail or any or a .plan file, rarely used in modern Linux, but just I'm sharing the information, the output of finger command. And that's it for this today's tutorial. We have covered how to install finger on Ubuntu 24.04 version, how to check login user, how to get detailed user information, practical use case for system administrator. Remember, finger is not pre-installed, but you can install it easily as I shown you in this tutorial. It helps in monitoring the user, checking the login and tracking the system activity. Always follow secure system practice like using SSH logs for critical monitoring. If you found this tutorial useful, like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more Linux tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.